gosh, I wish I knew more about cinnamon. Cinnamons? Thiamine!
Hey man, I heard you want to know about Dynamin. Thiamine, cinnamon.
Well, what are the
I'll tell you the functions, man. Thiamine, vitamin B1, another name for it, helps the body cells change carbohydrates into energy. The main role of carbohydrates is to provide energy for the body, especially the brain and the nervous system. Thiamine also plays a role in muscle contraction and conduction of nerve signals. A lack of deficiency of thiamine can cause weakness, fatigue, psychosis, and nerve damage. Thiamine deficiency in the United States is most often seen in people who abuse alcoholism. Although in severe thiamine deficiency, brain damage can occur. So, take thiamine. Food sources. Thiamine is found in enriched, fortified, or whole grain products such as bread, cereal, rice, pasta, flour, and other things like dried milk, eggs, nuts, and seeds. And you can overdose on it. And it's pretty rare, but it can cause some pretty severe symptoms like weakness or headache. But that's not the severe part. The severe part is like the rapid, irregular heartbeat and low blood pressure. It can lead to cardiac problems. Some patients will develop a low blood pressure and convulsions.
Wow! I know everything about thiamine now. Do you know any interesting facts about thiamine?
Thiamine deficiency may be involved in ADHD.
Whoa! Thanks, Thiamine Turtle.
You're welcome.
Hell yeah.
Make sure you take thiamine every day. Dude, every day? I should look at dosages. But yeah. Or make sure you have your local daily vitamin. So rip off the front.
I'm not gonna do that.
No, rip off the front. Watch. Hold on, man. This is a joke all along. We don't have thiamine. We don't have thiamine. It's just daily vitamins. What the fuck?